To get the most from your Festool sander, Highland Woodworking recommends Festool's own sandpaper. It doesn't just fit your sander and take full advantage of the Jetstream dust control system. Festool's abrasives are also engineered for long life and graded to closer tolerances than other brands to leave a more uniform surface. Festool offers a wide range of different sandpapers for different tasks. Here is Highland Woodworking's own video guide to the different types available. Festool is continually refining and improving their tools, and is no exception with their abrasives. Visit Highland Woodworking's Festool Abrasives webpage to see the current selection of abrasive types and grit selection. Granot sandpapers are excellent for general woodworking. Highland Woodworking sells more Granot than any other Festool sandpaper. Granot is tough, E-weight paper. The abrasive is aluminum oxide and ceramic. Granot is open-coated and stearated, both of which prevent it from loading up with resin or finish residues. Granot comes in the widest grit choices for Festool abrasives, from quite coarse for fast stock removal to very fine for sanding finishes and solid surface tops. Think Granot for most of your general woodworking sanding. Reuben 2 is the second most popular Festool sandpaper for woodworkers and is geared towards fast, efficient sanding of bare wood. It's an E-weight paper with an aluminum oxide abrasive, a semi-open coat, and an open bond. It's not available in grits as fine as Granot, but it is a bit more economical. It's a good choice for fast stock removal and surface preparation of raw wood and unfinished wood products like plywood, particle board, and MDF. Think Reuben 2 for raw wood. Granot Net has the same abrasive as Granot, but the grit is bonded to an open mesh substrate for the best dust collection possible from your vacuum. This keeps dust to a minimum when sanding inside a finished home or office space. Festool recommends using a protection pad when sanding with the Granot Net abrasive to protect your tool's original fast fix pad. Think Granot Net when you want to capture as much dust as possible. Saphir is Festool's toughest paper. Its fabric reinforced backing resists tearing. It's a good choice when you have demanding grinding jobs on wood, paint, plastic, fiberglass, and even concrete or metal. It has an aluminum oxide abrasive with a semi-closed coat and closed bond. Available in coarse grits, Saphir quickly strips away decades of paint and grime from reclaimed timbers. Think Saphir for stripping. Fleece is a non-woven abrasive pad like Scotch-Brite, consisting of an elastic fiber mat material with aluminum oxide and silicon carbide abrasives. It can be used to clean metal or for rust removal, and for scuffing surfaces for repainting or burnishing a matte finish into metals and cured paint. Platine 2 is designed for polishing finishes and solid surface countertop material, and for prepping auto body fillers for paint. It can also be used to polish plastics and fiberglass. It consists of a foam fiber backing, silicon carbide abrasive, and a stearate coating and open bond. Think Platine 2 to polish. Well, that's a survey of Festool's abrasive offerings. Click here to see Highland Woodworking's current stock and to order Festool abrasives. And thanks for watching.